Hi, everyone. Welcome to the training room of Sunshine Teachers Training and Academy of Montessori. You haven't seen our new center. A lot of you haven't had a look at our new venue. And this is our classroom at one glance. And today I'm going to take you in to the area of geography. We're going to be talking about Montessori geography. So come with me and let's talk a little. I'm in the area of culture, and right here I have our geography materials. I'm going to take you through them and just talk to you a little bit about what we learn in Montessori geography. We start with the globes. You can see we have two globes there. We have the sandpaper globe and we have the colored globe. The idea first, we start to teach children that our planet is made of land and water, and then we go on to teach them that each of these pieces of land is called a continent. And once they have that understanding, then we come here to the beautiful puzzle maps. Okay, we have the puzzle map of the world, and then underneath we have the puzzles of the different continents. We also use this inflatable globe to teach children. We transition them from the globe to the flat maps using the inflatable globe. So once children have learned about the continents and their names, and they identify them by the color at the beginning, because like you can see on the globe, every continent has a different color, and children learn to recognize the continent by its color. But we want them to move beyond them. We want to move beyond that. We want them to learn how to identify the continent by its shape. And that's where our terminology cards come in, so that they can learn about each continent and identify the shape and also read the name of the continent by then. Over here, we have some country folders where we teach the children, we show them pictures from different countries, like taking a trip. We have the continent box here. This is our continent box of Egypt. Many of you must have seen our presentation on this. If you haven't watched it, it's very interesting, very fun, very exciting for children, and very easy to make. So I will link it right above, and you can have a look at that video. So we take the children through a continent box, through the country folders, and then we move on to the flags. Okay, aren't they beautiful? We teach children about the different flags. We, of course, start with the flag of the country we live in. And so, since we live in Indonesia, we would start with the Indonesian flag, and then we would teach the child about the flag of their country. If it's different, if they come from a different country, then we would introduce that flag. After the flags, then we can go on to teaching children about the puzzle map of their own continent, their own country. So it gets gradually more challenging and more specific as we go on. Then we change a little bit. We move away from learning about countries. Now we learn about land formations. It becomes a little bit more geological. So then we learn about the three elements, learning that our planet is made up of land, air, and water. What can be found on land? What can be found in the air? What can be found in the water? And the children sort this and categorize this. We move on to the beautiful land and water forms that you can see here. They learn about a lake and an island. They learn about Gulf, peninsula, archipelago, system of lakes, so many things. It sounds very complex, but you'll be surprised to know that children, when they do it in this hands-on way, then they're able to memorize these terms and remember them. And I remember my own son Zubin when he was in preschool. He was only about 3.5 years old, and he loved working with this material. And every day he would come home and explain to me what a peninsula is or what a gulf is in his own words. And that learning has stuck with him till today. After that, then we move on to learning about same material with the terminology cards. And then we come into the solar system, the layers of the earth, and finally the structure of a volcano. And they're learning about these through the terminology cards. But we always do interactive activities before we take them to the terminology cards. We may do the dance of the cosmos, where each child, pretends to be a planet and we dance around the sun. We make the actual layers of the earth with Play-Doh and we cut through it to show the children what it looks like. And then, of course, if we're learning about the volcano, we do the experiment where we make the volcano. We do, the eruption with the bicarbonate of soda and the vinegar, and it's all very exciting. So we do it in a concrete way before we come to doing it with the cards. So that is our geography area. These are the materials that we work with. We will keep coming back and sharing the presentations of the materials. If there's something specific you would like to learn about, let me know in the comments below and I will prepare that presentation for you and come back and share it on YouTube. Thanks for joining, and I would like to tell you that if you'd like to get deep into learning with Sunshine Teachers Training, we have all kinds of courses. We have diploma courses, we have non-diploma courses, long courses, short courses. Even if you just want to learn about culture, you can take a course that teaches you only about the area of culture or maybe only about the area of math. There's so much you can learn with us, and we would love to welcome you on board. I will put our website right up here. Click on the link, head to our website, and you'll see the whole range of courses available. I know you'll find something that is perfectly suited for you. You can learn from your home at your own pace at any time that you want to, from anywhere in the world. You can't get it easier or better than this. Trust me. Until we meet again, where I come back with more videos, more information, have a beautiful day.